Hello, Mr. Josh here. In this video I'm going to talk about two words that are often used incorrectly by ESL students and famously by many supermarkets in Britain. Those words are less and fewer. In many supermarkets you'll find a cashier for people that are in a hurry and just want to buy a couple of items. Hanging above them is a sign that often reads something like this. Notice anything wrong? Those of you that are good at grammar will know that the sign should read 10 items or fewer. This is because items is countable and we only use less for things that are not countable. Many English grammar teachers in England got very annoyed at this grammatical slip by the supermarkets and even sent letters to newspapers in protest. Seriously, do these people have nothing better to do? On the flip side, many students that have passed my way often say things like, "There was fewer traffic on the way home tonight," or "This year we had much fewer snow than last year." Both of which are wrong. So remember, if you can count it, use fewer. If you can't, use less. However, if large supermarket chains with millions in resources can get this wrong, I don't think you should stay awake all night worrying about it too much. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for more bite-sized videos.